But I'm into gadgets. I was always fascinated by James Bond's gadgets, because he had these brilliant little gadgets, but the guy who gave them to him, Q, must have been some sort of psychic, because he always gave him exactly what he bloody well wanted. Never, very lean, wasn't he? He used every single item. He never came back and go, Q, I've got a lot of stuff I didn't use on that event. Went all the way out to fucking God knows where, and this watch that turned into a hamster, what was the point of that? These trousers, press a button, turn into jam. Why? The hat turned into a bicycle. That was very funny. It was. He fell into the water. There were sharks there. He had a breathing apparatus. He could breathe for 4 minutes. He never went, shit, it's in the hotel. I've got the trousers that turn into jam, though. Shark thing. Oh. Oh, there's blood everywhere. Look, there's blood. It's jam. Oh, I've got water up my nose. Do they do that? Do they... You see a shark coming to the surface. Oh, it went down the wrong way. I've swallowed some oxygen. It'd probably be... Anyway. Yeah. So he did. He had precisely when James Bond got into the Aston Martin with the ejector seat, the baddie sat in the fucking ejector seat. He never sat in the back. James going, you couldn't sit in the front, kid. No, Mr. Bond, I will sit in the back. I will sit in the back, read. I have a gun on you. I'm a Smurf agent, and you cannot go nowhere. You couldn't come and sit up here in the front, could you? It's a very nice seat here. I'd like the company, sure. No, I will not, Mr. Bond. I will sit in the back here. Where exactly are you from, by the way? Don't you take the piss out of me. I will come up in the front and talk to you. Know what? Don't you? I am a Smurf agent. I have a voice synthesizer in my throat. I can do any accent you can think of. Unfortunately, I've lost the instructions at the moment. And my voice box is stuck on shop demonstration. Which is a bit of a bummer. You're a fucking nutter, you are. Still, he's in the injector seat now. I'll press... Oh, shit, I'm not in the Aston Martin. I'm in the fucking Mini. Nice car, but no fucking ejector seat. Even the windows are those half ones. Bugger. He never did that, did he? James Bond never... That was more Muttley, wasn't it? My name is Bond, James Bond. That wouldn't be cool enough. You think you've got me, Blofeld? Well, you haven't. My name is not Blofeld. I am a Smurf agent. Right. Oh, no, I've got the breathing apparatus here. I know I do. What are you doing, Mr. Bain? I can breathe for 4 minutes with this, and you can't. I think I can. Can you? Oh, bomb. You don't have a shark on you, do you, by any chance? Because they're quite like jam, you know.